We're in Diamond Cliff Resort. Hotel's gorgeous, staff are amazing. We got caught in the swimming pool last night about 1:30, 2 o'clock, and there was sounds of power. They were just like, get out of the swimming pool. But they were absolutely sound about it. We met some cool guy called B yesterday, who's going to be our sort of tour guide. Just to give you an idea on how cheap it is here. I mean, you've probably watched loads of videos on Thailand by now. But just to give you an idea how cheap it is, B is charging us 500 Thai baht, which is about 11 quid, to take us tourists around Thailand all day in his big 6-seater van. He's taking us 35 minutes to the dolphins. He's taking us wherever we want to go all day today in a 6-seater van. Obviously, I'm probably going to give him about 1,000 baht, but he's happy with 11 quid. It's mental. All day driving us around. Mental. But yeah, he's a cool guy. Hopefully it's okay with being on camera. I'll introduce him in a bit. Right, catch us in a bit.
Hi.
Bathing. Look at the back of the elephant. I think they're lying down.
Here they are.
So I've got a baby here who was rescued because the mum and dad were, well, the parents were killed for their tusks. Go on then, look. Oh, I think I got food for him. Hello, big guy. You ain't gonna nip my camera, are you? Oh, there you go. Cheers. You got your basket of food? What's in there? There's some bamboo. I'm gonna show you. Go on, show. Eat, eat.
How did he do it?
Like this.
Oh!
Yeah, well done, mate. Go on, how many kilos does he eat?
What you think?
How many kilos, what, a day?
Yeah.
For probably 500?
Yes.
Wow, look at that for a guess.
500 a day? Yeah. This is a whole day.
We ready? Yeah. Yeah. He broke down. Go on then, JC. Yeah, get the camera, get the camera.
Please. Boy me. Oh, look, he's going. Here I go.
Wow. Tropical storm. I think we're staying in the hotel for a bit. What's that? Oh, you can't even read. I don't even know if you can see it on the camera. There's a seat down there. Absolutely hammering it down.